Chico dance tutorial I explain all over. So first of all, this video is real. My right is my right, and my left is my left. You can go to the page, subscribe, and like. Welcome to the family. So first of all, let's jump into the video. So the first move is this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'll break it down. 5, 6. First of all, you're facing this way. You're going 1, with a bounce. 1, 2, okay, 5, 6, 7. And go 1, 2, 1, 2. Like wave. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. You face this way. You go 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap. So after this clap, you're going for this move. It's a dance move. You're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now let's go from the top to this place. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this, you're going 1, like the legs. The left leg is going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up. Let me break it down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up. You roll, you roll, you roll, you bring it down. Now let's jump over the video, over the dance one more time, slowly. So the first thing we're doing, 1, 2, 1, 2, like the wave, 1, 2, okay? 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the last time, let me break it down again. And this is the final time, and then we'll try with the music on 0.7. Okay? So if you're watching me watch again, you're doing it on 0.7 slowly. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we're going 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, roll, 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 down, 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 down. So officially, you know this dance right now. So now let's sing with the music, with the pace of music. 5, 6, 7. You got it right. Chico, dance on my MiChico. Chico, Chico. So thank you very much for watching, and if this is the first one to my video, subscribe, hit the like button for the next tutorial. Peace and blessings. Let's go.